Each of us is a part of the internet. We are networked. We are online. The web is becoming even more pervasive, even universal, connecting people with people, people with machines, machines with machines. Our real physical lives are increasingly finding digital equivalents on the internet. Our very own data is becoming an integral component of complex technological structures. But how safe is our digital self in the cyber world really? What controls do we still have over our personal data? Take a look with us at the structures of the internet and gain an insight into the fundamental makeup of a technology that is being challenged by its own growth. Find out about the enormous variety of cyber attacks and see where your own behavior offers the potential for unscrupulous exploitation. Understand how trust is built up on the internet and how vitally important internet security has become for our entire society. Learn about the technologies of different encryption systems, and ultimately, you will discover how to protect yourself most effectively. Take your own personal training course on the road to internet security. Only on openHPI.